Hello guys, welcome to part 5 of our video deployment series on how to build a Telegram echo bot. And in this part we're going to be looking at how to prepare our application for deployment. So we'll first need to create a proc file. A proc file is basically a file that tells the platform you want to deploy it, be it code capsules or not, how to start or run your application. And in this case we are going to be using the GUnicorn package we installed earlier in our first video, and we're going to reference this app file, and inside the app file we're going to be referencing this app module. So that's how we tell code capsules how to run our file. And up next we'll have to generate a requirements.txt file. This is basically a file that contains the list of packages that are needed by code capsules in order to successfully deploy our capsule. So let's go ahead and generate that. And as you can see, I have my terminal open here, and I'll just gonna cd into the I've cd'd into the folder that contains our application. And how we generate that requirements.txt file is by running pip3 freeze -local. So we're writing --local in order to tell it to only generate requirements txt file with packages that are only local to this environment, to this virtual environment. So if you exclude this local flag here, it will include all the packages that you have ever installed on your machine before, prior to even including those you installed prior to this tutorial. So we don't want that. We just want the packages that are relevant to this application we're going to be deploying later. So after this we write requirements.txt. so this is the name of the file we're going to be generating it to, and as you can see it's already done. So just confirm here, and as you can see we now have our requirements.txt file with all the modules that we'll need to successfully deploy our application on code capsules. And as you can see, there are a lot more modules or packages than we installed earlier. So this is simply because the packages we installed have these packages as code dependencies as well, so it installs them automatically. You don't have to install each and one of these. So that's it guys, stay tuned to see how we're going to be deploying this to a GitHub repository, or pushing this rather to a GitHub repository, so that we can link it to code capsules and then deploy it. So take care and cheers.